Many years ago, 4 guys got together to start a band in Athens, Ohio. After countless performances and 3 albums of original music, the core members are still together, sharing their love for the songs that helped shape their musical direction. The band members are Bill Dutcher on electric guitar and vocals, Brian Wolbers on acoustic guitar and lead vocals, Matt Aurigema on bass guitar and vocals, and Deno Stanley on drums and vocals. The band has a sixth sense for reading a crowd and for playing to the dynamic of the venue. Live shows pay homage to the timeless hits that are still heard on the airwaves today. Contact The Crunch today to book a show for your next event that will exceed expectations and leave the crowd wanting more.